What's going on, guys? Nick back here at the Backyard Bars again, and today I'm going to be showing you a chest and tricep workout only using the rings. Alright, so we're going to go through 4 different workouts. We're going to try for 3 rounds. Those 4 workouts are going to consist of push-ups / flies. You could switch on and off each round for these. I'm going to show you both skull crushers, dips, and what I like to call inverted tricep extensions or inverted skull crushers. That one's a little bit funky. I will go over that as well. There are different progressions for each of these workouts, so whatever level you're at, you can still complete this workout. I'll show you the easier progressions and work towards the hard ones as well. Now, the reason rings are so beneficial for us calisthenics athletes, it's not like any other thing that we train on, right? If we're on bars, bars are immobile. They are steady and then sturdy, and they won't move when we perform these workouts. Rings, they are not sturdy at all, right? They're gonna be moving the entire time throughout our workout. So we have to use our own body to stabilize ourselves, and we're gonna stabilize our muscles, and it's gonna make it much, much harder in order to complete the motion. So that's why rings are so beneficial. This workout is going to be tough. Like I said, we're gonna go for 3 rounds. I'll be doing 1 round. You could follow along with that first round, and then rounds 2 and 3, you're gonna go out and do that on your own. Like I said, I'm gonna show you each progression from easiest to hardest. Let's get right into it. All right, guys, so the first workout we're gonna do is the push-up / fly. Like I said, you could alternate these in between rounds. I think they're both very beneficial, so I'm going to show you both. All right, so first I'll show you the push-up. Now, if you wanna make this more difficult, you just have to move the rings lower, because then we'd be pushing up more of our weight. If it's too easy, we just go from higher up. All right, so here's our push-up. Like any other push-up, we don't wanna sag our hips. We don't want our hips to be too high either. Nice and straight, keep that core tight. We're going all the way down, all the way up, really squeezing our chest at the top. Down, back up. Now for flies, we're gonna open up the rings. We're gonna open up our chest more, slight bend, and then close it off at the top, really squeezing our chest together and touching the rings together. All right, so that's the fly. Open up, touch them together. For this round, I'm gonna do 5 and 5. I'm gonna do a set to 10. Like I said, maybe do 1 round push-up, 1 round fly, switch it up, trick your muscles, and this way you'll get stronger in every aspect. So here's a push-up. We're gonna go for 5. 5. Now flies. All right, so that is our push-up and fly. This next workout is called skull crushers. All right, I've showed these in many other videos before. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna have the rings right out in front of our face. We're gonna lean forward, bring the back of our hands to the top of our head. Keep our elbows nice and tight and press straight back. All right, elbows to the top of our head, elbows tight. We don't want them out here. Up, back. Same applies with our core the whole time, right? Nice and tight, not sagging, not up. We're gonna go for 10. We're counting that as 3. Now, if that is too difficult, you could always do this on your knees. Or you could simply just walk out further and be less inverted, putting less weight and burden on those triceps. All right, so for the third workout I'm gonna show you is dips. All right, these are really difficult on rings because like I said before, they're not sturdy, they're moving all over the place. So it's hard to even just hold yourself up. So like I said, I'm gonna show you the easiest progression and work towards the hardest. So the easiest progression, we'd have our feet on the ground. All right, out, you're gonna press down and up. We wanna turn those rings at the top if we can. If that is easy, then we could start working towards our regular dip. So our feet are up, going down, lean forward as we come down, just like any other dip, press up and back. And if you could do that, then we're gonna try the hardest variation where we touch the rings together in front of our body. These are called Bulgarian dips. So here we go. I'm gonna shoot for 10 of these. Do your set at whatever progression you're up to. So as you can see, those are really hard. I only made 6 there, and I had to go back down a progression to the regular ones. If that happens, it's no big deal. Just know you can go down a progression. You want to make it difficult for yourself, but obviously not where you start to sacrifice for them like I did. So I just went down a progression to finish the set. So our last and final workout is that inverted skull crusher, or I like to say inverted tricep extension. This one is a little bit funky. All right, it is super difficult though. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna set up with the rings right by our hips. We're gonna lean back, keeping our elbows stationary. We're gonna bend and then press backwards, right? This is gonna utilize that entire tricep. Boom. All right, if you wanna hit a different head of that tricep, more of the inner head, the long head, we're gonna turn those rings around so that our palms are facing forward. Same exact thing though, nothing changes besides the grip. Just hitting a different part of that tricep. Like I said, maybe the first round you do it regular, then the second round you do it upside down with our palms facing forward, just to trick your muscles. Let's go for a set to 10. And also, if you wanna make it more difficult, you could always be more inverted, put your feet further out, and then you have to push more of your body weight up. It's a lot harder than it looks. It kills the triceps. Do 10 reps of that as well. So we're going for 3 total rounds. You're gonna do each of those at least 10 reps, and your chest and triceps should be on fire. I'm already burning and it was only 1 round. All right guys, that's all I got for today's video. All right, give that a shot. Like I said, go for 3 rounds. Those are super difficult workouts. Please go follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook at core_calisthenics. Also check out my website, corecalisthenics.com. I have every single workout I know on there and me describing how to do it properly with right form in under 1 to 2 minutes. I also have a 4-week bodyweight only program out now that's totally free, so go check that out. Try the 4 weeks with only using your body weight. I promise it will change the way you think about working out. Also, if you like these videos and you have ideas for me to make videos, please comment what you guys want to see. I'd be happy to make those videos for you. Also, check out my shop. I have all calisthenics gear for the lowest prices I've ever seen on there. We got ab wheels, parallettes, chalk, Core Calisthenics t-shirts, wrist wraps, you name it, we got it. And like I said, thanks again so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.